अरे रुक जा भाई, अभी नहीं करना है।
तो फिर कब करना है?
ये 11 जैन को करना है।
11 जन को क्या है?
खारघर प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 3।
Welcome everybody to the jersey reveal of Kharghar Premier League Season 3.
सीजन 3
Yes, Sahil, Season 3.
सीजन 1 और 2 कब हुआ?
Season 1 हुआ था Jan 2025 में और Season 2 हुआ था June 2025 में.
And who were the winners?
The winners of Season 1 were Real Kharghar FC and the winners of Season 2 was Atletico de Kharghar.
भाई तुम जीता, कोई टीम में था कि नहीं था?
I was the runner-up with Kharghar United. But are you playing this season, Sahil?
Yes, I am playing this season.
And are you excited?
Yes, I am excited.
Before we start with the jersey reveal for Kharghar Premier League Season 3, we'd like to thank all the sponsors, starting with R&B Infra Projects Limited, Technimax Water Management, and Pile Enterprises.
And guys, this year KPL season 3 is going to go big. We have our travel partners, VIP Bag, Sky Bag. We also have a stay partner, Flamingo Stays Villas. And you know, guess what, Akhil? We have a grooming session as
We have a grooming partner.
Yes, we have Glacier Saloon Carver this year with us. But Akhil, अगर किसी को लग गई है तो do we have a medical team?
We are all taking care of this season, Sahil. We have our healthcare partner, Acharya Jnanesh Hospital, Velapur. And finally, we'd like to thank our biggest supporter and mentor, Honorable MP Dr. Shrikant Shinde.
Let's start the jersey reveal of season 3 Kharghar Premier League. So now let's welcome the champion from the season 2, the owner of the ATK, DJ Paddy in the house.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
कैसा लग रहा है? All set for season 3?
yes.
तो सीजन 2 जीतने के बाद कुछ प्रेशर है कि लग रहा है? ये प्रेशर तो नहीं,
जैसा ऑक्शन गया है ना, तो मैं ही जानता हूँ कितना प्रेशर है.
पर ऑप्शन अच्छा गया है.
Yeah, it's a balanced team for me.
So you're happy with the team?
Yes.
Okay. और कौन सी टीम है जिस पर आपकी सबसे ज्यादा नजर है?
सभी को पता हो. एक्चुअल में वो रियल ही है, रियल खागर एंड नेक्स्ट इज वुल्फ. बाकी टीम्स तो मेरे जैसी मुझे लग रही है, बट सीजन 2 में जो हुआ है, हमने एकदम सबसे नीचे की टीम को हमने फाइनल खेलते हुए देखा. फ्रेंच फुटबॉल कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कुछ भी होता है.
वो टीम महीने का है. कुछ
तो
भी.
आप एक्साइटेड हो सीजन?
एवरीवन.
एक क्वेश्चन है मेरे दिल
प्लीज कोई अच्छा
कि-
पूछना.
कि ऐसा कोई प्लेयर है जो आप लेना चाहते थे और आप नहीं ले पाए ऑप्शन में,
अच्छा प्लेयर्स प्लीज आप वो समझ चाहिए. मैं
पर ये स्पाइस रहेगा हमेशा से.
वो अगर हम हारे तो, अगर आप जीते तो नहीं.
तो आप रेडी हो आपकी जर्सी?
yes. Super excited.
So
Super.
are you guys ready?
Let's do this. 3. क्या बात है.
बहुत बढ़िया. ये बहुत
कमेंट्स में बताना. इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट कि किसकी जर्सी सबसे अच्छी है. वी शुड नो फॉर नेक्स्ट सीजन कि हमको कैसी बनानी है. आई थिंक दिस इज a very nice. I'm super excited.
and white is your color, man.
Yeah, white. No, red is my color.
Okay.
But the captain of my team, he loves the white color.
बहुत बढ़िया. So are you excited?
Yes, super excited.
एक बार डीजे पैडी की आवाज में अपने टीम के लिए और अपने फैंस के लिए.
Last year जैसा season
Yes.
जैसा. ATK.
Prashant, the owner of Kharghar United FC, the runners-up of KPL Season 3. First of all, congratulations आपका Season 2 का जो परफॉर्मेंस था आपकी टीम का. What is your opinion on your auction? आपका auction कैसा था?
Auction तो mixed गया. We didn't got the players which we wanted, but still we are a balanced side. Looking forward to season 3.
Who do you think is your toughest rival this season? And your opinion on the other teams. कैसा रहेगा ये season?
Other teams have better option, better spot, so it will be tough. But still, we are trying to finish in top 4 for season 3.
Awesome. That's a great target to have. और आपको क्या लगता है? Where would you like? Who would be your toughest opponent this season?
Our toughest opponent will be Real Kharghar FC. They have the best player from the Navi Mumbai region, and it will be a challenge to stop them and win against them.
And any special messages to your fans and to your players?
Yes, definitely. Come and support Kharghar United. United, we are together.
So Prashant bhai, let's go ahead and reveal your jersey for season 3. And Prashant bhai, are you excited for season 3?
Yes, we are excited. Come and support United. United!
Now let's welcome the owner of the Alpha Wolves United FC, the only team to win 2 trophies in Khagar Premier League, Ratish Nair. तो कैसा लग रहा है सीजन 1 में आप बहुत क्लोज थे, फाइनल तक पहुंचे, सीजन 2 में आप 3rd प्लेस पे थे, सीजन 3 में क्या सोच रहे हैं, कुछ बड़ा सोच रहे हैं?
Every season we start with an only goal to win the main trophy. But let us see, this season I think it will be a much tougher one because teams are good across this league.
And you know what we have seen in the past, like season 1 and season 2, you always had players short in your team. Your team was never complete. So this year you have a complete team.
Yeah, this year we have a very complete team. I think we are probably more taken care of in each and every department.
So the list of players जो आपने सोचे थे वो आपने सब लिए.
I think 95% of them are there with us. Probably 1 or 2, that is part of the game. We have to
Exactly. Any team to watch out. You know, कौन सी ऐसा मैच होगा जहाँ पे आप चाहोगे कि खाएगा कि लोग आए देखें वो मैच?
See, I think from the last 2 seasons, or probably season going forward also, we have been the arch rivals of Real Kharghar. When we play against them, it's a different environment.
Yes.
Our family members, players outside also, really enjoy watching that match. Apart from that, I think, more or less each and everything are better. But I think defense-wise, ATK will be one of the biggest teams. We might not be able to break their code easily.
Exactly. So excited for the jersey reveal? For the
Yeah, sure.
Seems all the angry wolves are ready to grow together.
Yeah, they try to.
Huh? They gonna grow higher than season 2?
Yeah, probably.
And like, how would you rate your jersey compared to season
I think it is 10 on 10.
10 on 10?
Yeah.
And do you have anything to say of fans season 3?
Only one thing, come support Wolves.
And now we'd like to welcome the winner of KPL Season 1 and the owner of Real Kharghar FC, Rahul Raina. और राहुल भाई कैसे हो?
एकदम बढ़िया एकदम।
आपको क्या लगता है आपका ऑप्शन कैसा गया है इस सीजन का?
ऑप्शन वाज 10 out of 10। जो हमने सोचे थे, द प्लेयर्स वी वांटेड, ऑल ऑफ देम आर इन रियल खारघर।
ओ आप सही बोल रहे हो 10 out because I've spoken to a lot of owners already. सबने बोला है कि रियल खारघर this season is the team to beat. Any opinion on that?
That's the pressure we are going to have. We have to perform well. So whatever everyone is saying, we have to do well, and no pressure as such during the games. But yeah, outside pressure will be there, and we have to just shut the noise and play our game.
Right. And what is your objective for this season?
Objective is always to be in the final first, and then try to win it.
And who do you think for you would be the toughest opponent?
All teams are balanced out. There's no single
But
team.
koi as a specific anyone to pick out?
I will say Falcons, ATK, Wolves. They have a strong team, all of them. So and also United and Mavericks. They will push everyone hard.
आपने तो सबका ही नाम ले लिया. So that's very diplomatic. That's a very diplomatic answer.
No,
but I understand what you're saying. It's a tough season.
It's a tough season.
It's going to be definitely a tough season. Any this thing for our fans and for the people who want to watch? Any special message?
Special message: just come and support the league. First of all, the league, and then the Real Kharghar FC. Yeah, thank you.
Now let's go ahead and reveal the jersey for Real Kharghar FC for season 3.
Very excited to win this.
Go Real!
Now we'd like to invite Nitin Tiwari, the owner of Maverick Knight FC Kharghar. Nitin bhai, first up, let me ask you one thing. आपका टीम का नाम चेंज हुआ है ये सीजन. You were Kharghar Mavericks FC last season. This season you are Maverick Knights. उसका क्या रीजन है?
So the reason for that is we are restructuring our team, and we are getting ready for the future. There are some announcements which will be made later on, but this is in alignment with that we are changing our name to Maverick Knights.
So there's a lot of surprises that are going to come in from your end this season.
From our end as well as from the end of the KPL.
Awesome, awesome. And what about your auction? आपका auction कैसा गया you think this season, and what are your expectations for season 3?
Yeah, so 95% of our objectives when we went into the auction were met. 5%, well, yes. Easy come, easy go.
So are you happy, or are
Very
you
happy with the team. The team is very well balanced and very tactical in approach.
Right, right. And I've heard that from a lot of other teams also. Everybody thinks that you've built a good team. And so what is your expectation from this new season? Where would you like to finish? And what is your objective?
Yeah. So if you look back at season 1, season 2, what is common is whoever wins it once has a tough time regaining it.
Right.
And we at Mavericks believe that our time is coming.
Awesome, awesome. That's a shout out to all the other teams, that be aware there could be a new winner. And how about your toughest opponent this season, do you think? Who's going to be your toughest opponent?
From our perspective, United is one team that we need to watch out from. Real is a very good opponent. There's just one team that we have never beaten, that is Alpha Wolves. And we intend to break that myth this time around.
Awesome, awesome. So let's go ahead and go for your jersey reveal.
Sure.
Now let's welcome the team to watch out for this season. Falcon FC Kharghar, the captain Kunal Chakravarti. तो कैसा लग रहा है सीजन 3?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I mean, लास्ट सीजन के कंपैरिजन में इस बार टीम हमारी बहुत स्ट्रांग है.
अच्छा, तो मतलब मैं ये समझूं कि आपका ऑप्शन अच्छा ही गया.
बहुत अच्छा गया.
तो आपके
एक मिस आउट हुआ है, बट देन ठीक है. इट्स पार्सल.
एंड सीजन 2 और सीजन 3 को आप क्या डिफरेंस देख रहे हो? मतलब क्या गेम में डिफरेंस है या आपकी टीम में भी डिफरेंस है? कैसा लगा?
I mean, last season was pretty difficult for us. I mean,
Okay.
in terms of players going out, coming in. So थोड़ा सा struggle रहा हमारे team में. And but this time, I think the team is sorted and the balance.
बट एक कुछ छोटा सा ब्लंडर हुआ था मैंने सुना ऑक्शन में.
वो बताया ना मैं आपको. So ये it's a part.
बट अगेन वो ब्लंडर से आपकी टीम इम्पैक्ट हुई है?
Not exactly, but
यू आर हैप्पी विथ योर टीम?
Could have been better. I mean, वो
Okay.
अगर आ जाता तो.
And any team, like any match, competitive match, you're waiting for?
Now this season I would say कि every team is a balanced team,
Yes.
very strong team. But then especially Real Kharghar, Wolves definitely is a very strong team. To
So you are excited for season 3,
very excited.
and now you want to
Yeah, please
unveil
go
your
ahead.
jersey?
Yeah, definitely. Fly high, Falcons!